We've got a community event coming in April. On the 15th of April, it is the Spring Games. Now, the Spring Games is for everybody in the facility to attend, no matter what level you're at. It's not going to be arduous in any way that it's going to make you feel sick. Some of you may, but it's going to be a real good fun games, followed by Easter eggs, trophies and medals for the winners. And also there might be an Easter egg or two in place for some people, but we'll let you know as we get close to the games. 15th of April, book it on Go Team Up, come to the Spring Games. Next thing, performance testing. Absolutely phenomenal effort on the Saturday. It's just gone. That's where this is late. We had 30 people in the gym who were looking at their markers and where they're at. So they did their body composition tests, they did their performance in the gym, their endurance in the gym alongside their strength testing. And what this does, it enables people to take a marker of where they're at. So in 12 weeks time when we do it again, they'll know exactly if they've progressed. The performance testing, or progress testing as we call it, isn't for us as coaches, it's for you guys to see if you're doing the right thing by your program. Wednesday is the next one. If you didn't do Saturday, get booked on to Wednesday in the evening and we'll see how you are. There's already 20 people booked on, so that's 50 people to go through progress testing in a period of 1 week, which is phenomenal. Great effort for everybody on Saturday. See you all on Wednesday. And then we've also, to top it off, midway through April, we've got a strength workshop. So Will, who is a powerlifter and a member of the team as a coach, is going to go through on strength training for the over 35 demographic, which is most people in the gym, and how you should approach your strength. Some great tips in there from Will, and it's going to enable you to master your strength gains and get more from your workouts as you go through. The education topics this month are strength. Last month was the menopause. This month is strength, because you need to be strong, as Kim said in their menopause brief, and the andropause, which is the male equivalent of menopause, determines that you need to be strong to alleviate the symptoms of the andropause. Get on that brief, coming soon. Snowdon Trip, there is a wait list. We are full still, but if you want to get on the wait list, get on there and see if you can get on one of those spots in case somebody drops out. Oh, I'm going to go through bank holiday hours. On Friday and Monday coming, we're working a Saturday routine, 7 till 11, as per the Saturdays that we normally do. You can book on your sessions, but if you're feeling up for it at 11 o'clock on Friday and Monday, there is a coach's workout. You can book onto that as long as you're injury free and we don't need to regress the exercises for you, okay? So it's a coach's workout, a little bit of an advanced workout, but everybody can come on as long as you are injury free. There's some new exciting things happening as well. So while we've been at SC Vital Fitness, we've been looking at developing an app that has everything in it. So you can book through your sessions, nutrition's on it, communication with the gym is on it, everything that you absolutely need in one place. And it's been very, very difficult to find, but we've done it, right? So this will be out in due course. I'm not going to go too much into detail about it, but this thing is absolutely world class and it's going to benefit everybody within the gym once we get everything in one place on your smartphone. So you won't need to go off it to go onto different avenues like the membership site or bookings. It's all going to be there for you. Yes, the next thing. So I've been given the opportunity to have a new role in the fitness industry. It doesn't mean I'm leaving SC, because SC has been part of something bigger than itself for a number of years. So I've always invested in a coach, same as you guys do. You invest in us. I invest in somebody to make me better. Because of my investment from the business side of the business and the side of being better at what we do, I've been asked to come on board a team called Fitness Business Profits, which is really exciting for the gym, because invariably anything that happens that elevates the gym and its coaches to another level also elevates SC Vital Fitness to another level in the fitness industry. So we are the sought after place at the moment. Hence, I've been asked to come on as a business mentor with this company to ensure that the fitness industry is elevated all round. I want to elevate other gyms. So if I'm elevating other gyms, we're going to elevate SC Vital Fitness. So it's going to be the best bang for buck place so you can ever visit in Portsmouth, if not the UK, especially with the new app development and especially with this kind of new role for me as a business mentor helping other gyms. So I'm going to learn a lot, as I always do. The next thing, because of being part of this business mentorship, we're also going to be getting a doctor on the staff at SC Vital Fitness. We will have a doctor on the staff at SC Vital Fitness, and this is going to elevate us to a new level. So when you go to your GP and he says, don't work out in the gym, you've got to rest and all this, we're going to have a doctor on site who's going to be able to navigate the things that your normal GP can't do, because this doctor understands how gyms work, and specifically how we operate at SC Vital Fitness. So this is getting us to the new level of where gyms need to be in the future. We're going to hit it thick and fast to ensure that you get the best bang for buck out of the product that you're paying for. So having a doctor there will enable us to navigate so much for you that invariably you're going to be able to get more fat loss, increased strength gains. Your nutrition's going to be on point. We're talking about blood testing and everything to ensure that you're at the highest level and your optimum, not just from a performance standpoint, from a longevity standpoint. We want people to live longer, and that's why we train in the gym. That's why the doctor's coming on board. So last but not least, as we always do every month, we declare who the member of the month was. So the member of the month always has a lot of people that we can pick from. But specifically, this person has really shown some great consistency over the last month. And the member of the month this month is Mark Skelton. So well done, Mark. Your picture will be up in the gym soon. And I'll see you in there. So thank you very much. If you've got any questions, pop them below.